Not sure how to get your music release ready? Today I'll show you 2 easy ways to master your tracks. First, let's look at FGX2, a mastering plugin that gives you complete control over your final sound. If you like fine-tuning your master, this is the way to go. I'm starting with this great preset as a foundation, then using constant gain monitoring to hear how much compression I'm adding without being fooled by volume changes. From here, I can tweak the gain and low punch controls to bring up the loudness while keeping the energy of the original mix and boosting the lower transients. This plugin is great for beginners and pros, as the advanced tab really gives you that extra control to dial in exactly what you want. Now, if you need a faster, more hands-off approach, Virtu is a solid option. Just upload your track and it automatically analyzes your mix, applies EQ, compression, and limiting, and delivers a ready-to-go master in minutes. This is perfect if you're mastering a lot of tracks at once, need a quick reference master, or want something that sounds professional without manual tweaking. Drop a comment on what you want to learn next, as we're offering tips and tricks weekly.